Hello guys, we're going to make pizza. We have this sugar, flour, water, oil. So, let's start.
Oh. Go.
Mommy, come here.
Uy!
Come.
Oh! Careful!
Come.
Uy! Oh no! Oh, go na, go, 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 go! Come on, lahat na. Mix.
Done.
Okay, job.
Did it on my hand.
Go. Balik.
Baby.
Balik din ulit.
I'm still very sticky. I'm an animal.
Good. Here. Yan. Sa paligid.
Sticky?
Yes. Good job. Alright.
Baliktad.
And then we will cover for 1 hour. Okay? Cover with plastic.
Hello guys, so we're gonna heat it in one hour.
Okay.
After 1 hour, we're gonna leave it.
Wow! It ganun, no?
Ang laki!
Yan, akin yan.
Rolling time!
Wow! Wow! Galing, oh. Wow, nice job.
Hello guys, pizza.
There you go. Galing, ah.
Okay. Next one, it's the sauce. We have to put the sauce all over it.
All over, yan. Good job. And sa edge pa, yung edge. Yung gilid, yan. Ooh. I'm so excited to taste that.
Yes,
You?
but
You as
don't
well?
be careful. It's very hot.
Oh, yeah.
Done.
Okay.
Cheese.
Yes.
That's gonna be yummy.
And go.
Ah,
Put more.
sprinkles.
Mushroom na.
That's gonna be yummy.
Wow, looks so good. Wow, that looks nice.
Yum. One.
This one, it's hot pa.
Ako na pa nito. Dalawa na lang.
Mm.
Dalawa na lang, Mami.
Wow, looks good. Ayan. Tingnan. Uy, big bin ah. How was it?
Sarap.